Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamped YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about a 3 month certificate course which is in social work in child and adolescent mental health. So this course is offered by NIMHANS, which is National Institute for Mental Health and Neuroscience. The campus is located in Bangalore, and those who are getting admitted for this course, so they have to pay 9,000 rupees, and that is the course fee for the 3 month. And they will not be getting any accommodation there. So the candidates, those who are willing to pursue, they have to get accommodated somewhere, so outside the institution. And here those who all are studied social work MSW, they are only eligible. And then those who are presently working with some state government, central government, or else NGO sector which is working related to child, so they can also apply. So the last date for application is 29th of February. So for more details I will give the link in the description box, so that you can find the more details about this 3 month certificate course. That's all. Thank you.